Welcome. In front of me is an Honor 600, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So, before I get started with the actual reset, I'd want to quickly mention a couple important things. So number one, you can do this kind of reset in order to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. Now, this also, as a process, removes all of your personal data and any kind of data that is stored on a device. So if you have any pictures, videos, applications, documents, anything like that you'd like to preserve, you would need to back it up first. But to back it up, you do need to know your screen lock, as you can't really do much without accessing the home screen and the settings. So that's number one. Number two, when you reset your phone through this method in order to get rid of a screen lock, typically your phone becomes FRP locked. And this means that when the reset is finished and you go into the setup process, you will be forced to connect to network and then verify either the screen lock that you had set or the Google account that was signed in on the device. Now, if you didn't have a Google account signed in on a device, then you won't be having any kind of verification whatsoever. And lastly, to back up your device, if you can access it, or maybe also check if it's backed up but you can't access it, there's a couple of things you can do. So for people that can't access their device, you just want to check maybe if it did get backed up beforehand. What you could do is check out if Google has been backing it up for you. And to do so, open up your browser on your computer, for instance, and go to Google Drive. And there, sign in with the same account that is on this device. And if you see, for instance, like your newest photos in there and stuff like that, chances are it's most likely being backed up. And this would be visible in the settings in here. Let me find it right here. Though right now I'm not signed in, so I can't even check it. And there you'll have like two check marks for photos and videos, and one and the other one would be other device data. So all of this would correspond to being backed up to your Google account cloud. Now, another ways you can back up your device would be through here, which this is going to be exclusively, I believe, available only to Honor devices. So if you don't have an Honor device, this kind of is useless to you. But alternatively, what you could instead do is use an application for cloning your device. So something like, just let me type, please. So device clone. So that's again, that's Honor exclusive application that allows you to move to Honor devices and in between them. But if you were planning to, for instance, migrate your data to some other brand of device, like for instance Samsung, you would need to use the application of the phone that you're moving the data to. And in case of Samsung, that would be Smart Switch. Other brands have their own versions of these applications named differently, but they all operate almost exactly the same. And to give you some of them, something like Xiaomi has Mi Mover, Oppo and OnePlus have Clone Phone, Huawei has Phone Clone, Samsung, like I mentioned, has the Smart Switch, Motorola, I think, has something like Moto Move. So you can check out, but no, not every manufacturer has their own application. I believe Infinix doesn't have anything like this, so that would kind of make it harder for you. Anyway, with that being said, let's proceed with the actual reset now. So I'm gonna lock the device and proceed from here. Now, I don't actually have a screen lock, as you can see, but the process is exactly the same if you have one or don't, which is press power button and volume up, and this will bring up your boot options. There we go. And then click on the power off. Now, when the device turns off, hold power button and the volume up again, and let go of the power button when you see the Honor logo. Now continue holding volume up till you see the recovery mode. And here you want to select clear data and then select factory reset. As a confirmation, all you need to do is type in yes. Regardless if you have screen locks or anything like that, this is the only kind of thing you need to do in here, which is always going to be type in yes, like so. Once you type it in, click on factory reset. This goes through a relatively quick reset. I believe it gets like 7-10%, something along those lines, and then finishes up. Well, I guess a little bit longer. Oh, there we go, 17%. So once it's finished, it brings you to the main page right here. So we're going to click on back and then restart. This will reboot the device and continue resetting it in the background. Because it is continuing the reset, it will take the device a little bit longer to boot back up, so just be patient. And anyway, I'm going to let this finish up and come back once I have the setup screen visible on my end. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.